Hello students, hope all of you are fine at your home. I am your math teacher Priya Sachar. Welcome you again in my online classes of 7th. Today we will continue our chapter number 2, fractions. But before starting, I would suggest you all to like and subscribe my channel. So whenever I upload my next video, you will get the notification for that. So let's start with multiplying fractions by whole numbers. If we have to multiply any fraction 2 by 7 by a whole number 3, then we can convert this whole number 3 in a fraction form by putting denominator as 1. Then in next step we will multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So 2 3s are 6 upon 7 into 1 is 7. Answer is 6 by 7. Next topic is multiplication of fraction by a fraction. For example, if we have to multiply 3 by 4 by 1 upon 2, in that case, first fraction's numerator we have to multiply it with second fraction's numerator, and first fraction's denominator we have to multiply it with second fraction's denominator. So 3 into 1 is 3 upon 4 into 2 is 8. So answer is 3 by 8. Come to exercise 2b, third numerical. Multiply and reduce to the lowest form and convert it into mixed fraction. The question is 7 into 4 by 5. 7 is a whole number which we have to multiply it by fraction 4 by 5, right? So in that case we have to multiply this whole number with the numerator of this fraction, 7 4s are 28, and denominator of a fraction with 1. If there is no number, we can write as denominator 1. So 5 1s are 5. 28 by 5. Now convert it into mixed fraction. So when we will divide 28 by 5, 5 5s are 25, subtract 3 will come. So answer is 5 whole 3 by 5. Similarly, E part 15 into 3 by 5. First multiply. We have to multiply first. Before reducing, we have to multiply first. So when we will multiply whole number with a fractions numerator, it will come 15 3s are 45 upon 5 1s are 5, right? And then we will reduce to the lowest term. So when we will cancel out, answer will come 9. Now come to G part. G part is 3 into 4 by 15. First multiply whole number with the numerator of this fraction. 4 3s are 12, 12 by 15. Then reduce it into fraction, lowest term, right? So when we will cancel out, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 4 by 5 is the answer. Now come to fifth numerical. Find. A part is 2 by 3 of 2 by 4. Of stands for multiplication, right? So that means we have to do 2 by 3 into 2 by 4. So now simplify. You can cancel out this fraction's numerator with other fraction's denominator. Only numerator and denominator can be cancelled. You can't cancel numerator with numerator or denominator with denominator, right? So now cancel out. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. So what is left? 1 by 3 is the answer, right? Now come to E part. E part is 7 by 5 of 5 liters. So again, of stands for multiplication. When we will multiply, 5 to 5 cancel. Answer is 7 liters. In this type of numerical, don't forget to write unit, right? Now come to H part. 4 by 5 of a kilogram. So here it is written in gram. So that means we have to convert this kilogram into gram first and then we will multiply, right? So we know that 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 grams. So 4 by 5 of stands for multiplication, and instead of a kilogram we can write 1000 grams. Then cancel out this numerator, this whole number with this denominator, fractions denominator, when we will cancel out, it will come 200, and 200 into 4 is 800 gram. Come to sixth numerical, find the product and express as a mixed fraction. So here 3 into 5 whole 1 by 5. First convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction and then multiply numerator with the numerator. 26 into 3 is 78. 78 by 5 ones are 5. When we will convert into mixed fraction, answer will be 15 whole 3 by 5. Now come to D part. 4 whole 1 by 7 into 21. First convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. 7 fours are 28. 28 plus 1 is 29 by 7 into 21. Right? Then cancel out numerator, this whole number with this denominator. 7 ones are 7. 7 threes are 21. Then 29 into 3 is 87. Now come to F part. F part is 5 by 8 into 108. Right? Now cancel out this whole number with the denominator. When we will cancel out, 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 4 7s are 28. So 27 into 5 is 135 upon 2 1s are 2. Convert into mixed fraction, answer is 67 whole 1 by 2. Now come to sum number 7. 2 by 5 of the student of a class of 50 students like mangoes. So here total number of students are given 50. Number of students like mangoes, they are saying 2 by 5 of 50. When we will solve, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 0, 10 will come, 10 twos are 20. So that means 20 students like mangoes, right? Now next they are saying, whereas 1 upon 5 of them like apples. So number of students like apples, 1 upon 5 into total number of students. So when we will solve, it will come 10. The rest like banana. Number of students like banana, they are saying rest students like banana. Right? So to calculate rest student, we have to subtract number of students like mangoes plus number of students like apple from total number of students, right? So 50 minus 20 plus 10. When we will solve, 50 minus 30 gives 20. So that means 20 students like bananas. Clear? But they are asking, find the fraction of the total number of students like bananas. We have to find the fraction. So to calculate fraction of the total number of students like bananas, 20 by 50. So when we will solve, answer is 2 by 5. Now come to sum number 9. Rima bought 30 dozen eggs. 30 dozen means we know that 1 dozen is equals to 12 eggs. Right? So 30 dozen means 30 into 12, 360 eggs. Right? So there are total 360 eggs. Out of them, 2 by 5 were found to be broken. So first calculate number of broken eggs. 2 by 5 of total number of eggs. When we will calculate it, 144 eggs will come which are broken. Right? So now we have to calculate number of good eggs. So out of total number of eggs, when we will subtract broken eggs, then number of good eggs will come, 216 eggs. This is the answer, or you can convert number of eggs into dozen. So we have to divide it by 12, then 18 dozen is the answer. Any answer you can write in the exam, right? Now sum number 11. Sweetie covered 2 by 7 of the running track by walking and rest by running. If the length of the track is 630 meter, so distance covered by walking 2 by 7 of 630 meters. So when we will calculate, 180 meter will come. Now we have to find out distance covered by running. So from total distance of the track. When we will subtract distance covered by walking, then distance covered by running will come. So 630 minus 180, answer is 450 meter, 450 meters. Now sum number 13. Length of a rectangular field is 5 whole 1 by 4 meter and breadth is 1 whole 1 by 7 meters. Find the area of the rectangular field. We know that to calculate area of a rectangular field, we use formula length into breadth, L into B. So instead of length, put 5 whole 1 by 4 multiplied by, instead of B, put 1 whole 1 by 7. Convert these two mixed fraction into an improper fraction. 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 1 is 21 by 4 into 7 1s are 7, 7 plus 1 is 8 by 7. When we will simplify, 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 3 into 2 is 6 meters square. Answer will come. Area of rectangular field is coming 6 meters square. Now come to sum number 14. Find A part is 5 by 6 of a day and we have to convert answer in hours. So we know that in a day means 1 day is equals to 24 hours. So instead of a day we can put 24 hours. So equation becomes 5 by 6 of stands for multiplication into 24 hours. When we will simplify, 6 1s are 6, 6 4s are 24, 4 5s are 20. 20 hours is the answer. Clearly the E part, 3 by 5 of an year and we have to find answer in days. We know that 1 year is equals to 365 days, right? So instead of an year, we can write 365 days. Of stands for multiplication. So when we will simplify, of stands for multiplication, and when we will simplify, 5 1s are 5, 5 7s are 35, 5 3s are 15, 73 into 3 is 219 days is the answer, right? Sum number 15. Is a box contains 25 packets of medicine and weight of each packet is 2 whole 3 by 4 gram. Find the total weight of the box. So to calculate total weight of the box, we can multiply number of packets with weight of each packet, right? So 25 into 2 whole 3 by 4 grams. When we will convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction, it will come 11 by 4. 25 into 11 by 4. We can't cancel out numerator and denominator, so we have to multiply these two numerators. 25 into 11 is 275. 275 by 4. When we will convert into mixed fraction, answer is 68 whole 3 by 4 gram. Every improper fraction you have to convert into mixed fraction, right? So if we have to find out 1 upon 2 of 1 upon 3, so in that case we have to multiply. So answer will come 1 upon 6. But how many 1 upon 6 are in 1 upon 2? In that case we have to divide. We will divide 1 upon 2 by 1 upon 6. Answer will come 3. Next topic is reciprocal of a fraction. Two non-zero fractions whose product with each other gives 1 are called reciprocals of each other. So reciprocal of 2 by 5 is 5 by 2. When we will multiply 2 by 5 by 2 gives 1. We can obtain the reciprocal of a fraction by interchanging its numerator and denominator. The reciprocal of a proper fraction is always improper and reciprocal of an improper fraction is a proper fraction. Next topic is division of a fraction by another fraction. If we have to divide 3 by 4 by 2 by 7, so in that case we will write 3 by 4 as it is. Then we will change the sign of division as multiplication, and next to it, that fraction, we will write its reciprocal. So 2 by 7's reciprocal is 7 by 2. Then 3 by 4 into 7 by 2. When we will simplify, answer will come 21 by 8. This is an improper fraction. Then we will convert this as mixed fraction. So answer is 2 whole 5 by 8. To exercise 2C, find first numerical A part. 3 by 4 divided by 5 by 7. In case of division, I told you that you have to convert this division sign into multiplication, and when you will convert division sign into multiplication, you have to write the reciprocal of this next to division sign, that fraction, right? So when you will write 5 by 7 reciprocal, it will come 7 by 5. So 3 by 4 into 7 by 5. Now we have to do multiplication. 3 7s are 21, 4 5s are 20. 21 by 20 will come. This is an improper fraction. Convert into mixed fraction. Answer is 1 whole 1 by 20. Now come to E part. E part is 6 whole 1 by 5 divided by 1 by 5. First convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So when we will convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction, it will come 31 by 5. Convert this division sign into multiplication. We have to write reciprocal of 1 by 5, that is 5 by 1. Cancel out numerator with denominator. 31 is the answer. Now come to F part. 6 whole 1 by 4 divided by 2 whole 2 by 3. Convert these two mixed fraction into an improper fraction. When we will convert, it will come 4 6 are 24 plus 1 25 by 4 divided by 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 8 by 3. Right? 25 by 4 divided by 8 by 3. Convert this division sign into multiplication. We have to write reciprocal of 8 by 3, that is 3 by 8. Then cancel out. We can't cancel out numerator and denominator. So we have to simply multiply numerators together. 25 3s are 75 and denominators together. 4 8s are 32. 75 by 32 will come. Convert into mixed fraction. Answer is 2 whole 7 by 32. To sum number 2, find the reciprocal of the following and classify them as proper, improper or whole fraction. A part is 4 by 5. Reciprocal of 4 by 5 is 5 by 4. Now see, here numerator is greater than the denominator. So this is an improper fraction. Now come to D part. 6 by 5. Reciprocal of 6 by 5 is 5 by 6. Here you can see numerator is less than the denominator. So this is a proper fraction. Right? To G part, 1 by 12. So reciprocal of 1 by 12 is 12 by 1, or we can say 12 only, and 12 is a whole number. Now come to third numerical, divide. A part is 3 by 7 by 3. 3 by 7 divided by 3. We have to convert this division sign into multiplication. Then we have to write reciprocal of 3, that is 1 upon 3. Cancel out numerator with denominator. Answer is 1 by 7. Now come to D part. D part is 15 by 45 by 4. So when we will convert, by means division sign into multiplication, then we have to write reciprocal of 45 by 4, that is 4 by 45. Cancel out. When we will cancel, answer is 4 by 3. But don't leave your answer till here. We have to convert into mixed fraction. So it becomes 1 whole 1 by 3. Now come to E part. E part is 1 whole 1 by 2 by 2 whole 1 by 5. Convert these two mixed fraction into an improper fraction. 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. By stands for division sign. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1 is 11 by 5. Convert this division sign into multiplication. Then we have to write reciprocal of 11 by 5, that is 5 by 11. So 3 by 2 into 5 by 11, when we will solve, answer is 15 by 22. Come to sum number 5. The cost of 3 whole 1 by 4 kilogram apples is rupees 130. Find the cost of 1 kilogram apples. To find the less quantity, we have to divide. So it will be 130 divided by 3 whole 1 by 4. Convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. It will come 13 by 4. Then change this division sign into multiplication sign. Then we have to write reciprocal of 13 by 4, which is 4 by 13. Cancel out numerator with denominator 10 times, and 10 into 4 is 40. So that means the cost of 1 kilogram apples is equals to rupees 40. Sum number 6. Cost of 2 dozen bananas is 3 whole 3 by 7. 2 dozen stands for 2 into 12, 24, because we know that 1 dozen is equals to 12 quantity. So 2 dozen is equals to 24 bananas. 24 quantities means 24 bananas. Now we have to find the cost of 1 banana. So for less quantity, we have to divide. Cost of 1 banana is equals to 3 whole 3 by 7 divided by 24. Convert this division sign into multiplication. Then we have to write reciprocal of 24, that is 1 upon 24, and write this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. It comes 24 by 7. Now cancel out numerator by denominator. Answer is rupees 1 by 7. Now come to 7th numerical. Each student in a hostel is given 1 whole 5 by 6 liters of milk in a day. Every day a total of 308 liters of milk is consumed. Find the number of students in the hostel. To calculate number of students in the hostel, we have to divide 308 by 1 whole 5 by 6, right? So again convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. 308 divided by 11 by 6. And then convert this division sign into multiplication. We have to write reciprocal of 11 by 6, that is 6 by 11. When we will cancel out numerator with denominator, answer will be 28 into 6, that is 168 students. So that means number of students in the hostel is equals to 168 students. Now come to 7th numerical. Each student in a hostel is given 1 whole 5 by 6 liters of milk in a day. Every day a total of 308 liters of milk is consumed. Find the number of students in the hostel. To calculate number of students in a hostel, we have to divide 308 by 1 whole 5 by 6. So convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. It will come 11 by 6. Then convert a division sign into multiplication. We have to write reciprocal of 11 by 6, that is 6 by 11. Cancel out 11 by 308. When we will cancel out, 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 11 eights are 88. 28 into 6 is equals to 168 students, right? The number of students in the hostel is equals to 168. From exercise 2b, this question number 1 you have to do in your book. Sum number 2 and sum number 4 in book as a home task. Remaining part of the question 3rd, 5th, 6th and 8, 10, 12 numerical as homework. Remaining part of question number 14, and from exercise 2c, remaining part of sum number 1, 2, 3 and question number 4. This much work you have to do in your classwork notebook as homework. PDF of today's work is also available in description below. If any query, then you can write in comment section. Bye bye, take care.